Hey guys, it's BassPlay12, or Mitch as you guys know me. How you guys doing today? It is February 14th. It's Valentine's Day. So I am off to worship practice, and it's one of those, I don't know, holidays, if you could call it, where I hope you guys aren't feeling bad. I used to feel bad on Valentine's Day, like, why are we celebrating something that I can't participate in? You know, it's always Christmas and Thanksgiving where, you know, everybody's invited, but it just felt like Valentine's Day was only for a select group. So sorry if you find yourself on Valentine's Day where you feel the same way, because I feel your pain. But anyway, today's video is when we're playing for worship. I'm just throwing this out here to you guys. I never expect you guys to do anything that I do that's definitely not in your style or comfort zone. But lately I've been just trying to memorize the notes for songs, just because there's just been several, how should I call them, obstacles or hindrances when I'm having to look at sheet music. And sometimes you just can't help it. Sometimes we play songs where there's 800 million chords, and there's just no way I want to put myself through that pressure of having to memorize all of it. But when I dedicate myself to memorizing the notes, I just feel freer when we play the song. Like, yeah, I don't have to look at anything. And I just feel more confident. And you know, you guys probably have different technology. Some people have their iPads where they can just scroll, or, you know, I'm still using my notebook for notes. And I know I'm old school. Well, I wish if I had the money I would have gotten an iPad, where we have iPad stands where you can just, you know, secure your iPad, swipe when you need to swipe for the next page for chords or notes. But anyway, I just know that we play outside, so another hindrance can be when it gets windy. You know, like the wind totally blows everything, and it's really hard to keep your page where you're looking. So it's one of those things where you just have to deal with that. It's one of those things where I just try to memorize the notes, so that way, I don't know, that's my point. Try it, especially if the song doesn't have that many notes, and you know, it just feels free. Like, yes, I can smile at people, I can close my eyes, I can, you know, just enjoy the worship experience a lot more when I don't have to keep looking at my notes or my chord charts, you know, looking to see, okay, let's play this and play this and play this. I definitely notice a different mindset when I'm trying to look at the notes, where it's just, I feel more, it's almost like a leash. I feel like, no, don't look away, and, you know, make sure you're going line by line. And so it's one of those things where it just bugs me, and I try and I try. You know, sometimes, well, I mean, most of the time we have 4 songs, so if there's that one song where, like I said, there's just a million notes, I'm not going to put it to chance to try to memorize that. I'd rather look at the notes than botch up the song, if you guys know what I mean. So it's one of those things where you can try to find your own comfort zone. So what I'd love for you guys to do in the comments section, just put what you guys do. Do you memorize all of your chords? Do you look at all the sheets? And let me know what that does for you as far as when you're playing. Do you feel the same way where looking at the notes? Ooh, gosh, that's bright. When you're looking at the notes, does that hinder you? Am I alone in that one? Or maybe give me some of your advice, what makes the worship experience better for you when you're playing. So I'd love to hear your side of that one in the comments section.